their guns, dude.
Why?
Because I want to. It's way better. Because they're actually good at sniping. But I'm better at shooting guns.
No, you're not better
That's
than
real.
your guns.
Wow. No. Told you, you need to use guns, bro. They actually got better now. What? Let me see that. Let me see that hard scope. Oh wow, that wasn't hard. Wow.
Dude.
My fault.
Yeah, your fault.
What?
Come get this work, buddy.
Now you want to use it, dude. Alright, buddy. What? Yeah. SMGs, oh my god, sucks. No, I'm playing. Oh crap. I knew you were about to do that. Imagine. Yo, why are you laughing? You really want to get destroyed because I'm not trying to. Alright, I'm not trying. I'm gonna try now.
Wow. There's no way. Whatever.
Oh, you got this, dude. Oh, that's the OP gun.
Wow.
Yeah, that is OP, dude. Ah! Oh my god. Alright, I'm back. There, I can change my gun now. There you go. Oh my god. Alright, alright. What? Stop it, bro. Alright, fine. Dude, like you're camping up there.
Be advised, UAV is being
No!
RTB for resupply.
Yo.
That scared me.
You say I'm camping. I ain't camping.
Oh my god.
You're in the lead, keep it up.
Oh my god.
Got chopper on station, needs to gun up.
Let me see this. That's so funny. Oh! Yo, stop trolling me, dude. Oh my god. Oh crap!
Oh my god. Choked.
Yo, you're not. I'm gonna make a comeback.
There's no comeback to this.
Outlaw 1-2 is now on station.
What are you doing? That's cheating!
No, it's not.
Oh my god, you can't do that! That's cheating! Stop it! That's cheating!
Yo,
Oh, I'm literally done. Yo, I'm done, bruh.
What do you mean you're done?
Oh my god! No, please. Wait, what'd you say?
we're winning this.
Oh, wow.
Keep it tight.
Oh my god, not a sniper, please!
What? No way. No way. Oh.
Did not use a sniper, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Please, one more kill. Oh my god, oh my god.
Yeah, keep running, boy. Whoa, look at this hard scope. Look at this hard scope. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh.
Was that a hard scope?
Yo, look at that hard scope. Yo, that was such a hard scope. That's harder than a hard scope. Got a present for you, Kyler.
Woo! Quick scope.
Let me see this quick scope. Let me see this quick scope. Alright, I'll give you that quick scope. Alright, Let's go!
My God.
That gave them something to think about. Good work.
Gosh.
Enjoy it.
You said no scope,
GG.
dude. Such a liar.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.